Hi, today we're going to be learning about how to add fractions with common denominators, and we're going to be doing it with models. Let's get started. So we're going to be adding fractions with common denominators, and we're going to be doing it with models. And on the left over here, I have the steps for adding a fraction with common denominators, but not with the model, because I'm going to use my mouth to explain. Okay, let's get started. So we have a problem here. 2/3 plus 1/3 equals question mark. And we're going to solve it using a model. So number one over here, it says check the denominators. So we need to check the denominators to see if they're exactly the same, and they are the same, so they're both 3. Okay, step number 2, add the numerators. And we're going to be using models to add the numerators. So as you can see, I have 2 models here, and they represent each fraction. So we have a box here, and it's divided into 3 parts because our denominator is 3. And we're going to represent this box as 2/3 and this box as 1/3. So we need to shade 2 of these thirds. And then this is a 2/3. And now let's shade 1 of this third 3. So I shaded 1, and now we're gonna add them. You could add them up just like 2 plus 1, or you could do 1, 2, and 3 and decide the answer to be 3/3. And step 3 is to keep the denominators, and I did that because I did it before we even went to step 3. So when we add fractions with uncommon denominators, you don't really keep the denominator, but with common denominators you have to. And let's see how. And step 4 is simplify. So we're gonna simplify 3/3 to 1. Let's see how 1 is gonna be represented. So as you can see, I only have 1 without any lines going through, or it's not divided. So just fill it all in, and this is a whole. Let's move on. Okay, now we're going to be adding fractions with common denominators, and we're going to be doing it with 4/7 plus 6/7. So we have these long models here, and again I have the steps on this side, and we're going to shade 4 of the boxes in this one and 6 of them here. So let's shade them. 4 of them, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we're going to shade 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And we already did check denominators because I said 4/7 and 6/7, and both they're 7s. And now we're going to add them. You could just do 4 plus 6, or you could do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So the answer is 10/7. But when we let's move on to step number 3. So we need to keep the denominators. I kept the denominators, and now this is not, it's an improper fraction, so we need to make it a mixed number. So step 4 is simplify. So it's if needed, and we need it here. So when you simplify it, we get 1 and 3/7. And let's see how you would represent 1 and 3/7 in this. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and this is a whole. This is a whole, and then we're going to do 3 on this. 1, 2, 3. And our answer is 1 and 3/7, and this is how you represent 1 and 3/7. Let's move on. Thanks for watching this video. Like this video if you liked it. Subscribe to my channel. Share this video to your friends and family who need help learning the skill. Bye!